Yes, Yebosa Ubona to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game. Unjani, I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we proceed, I would like to say well done to South African under 20 football team Amajita for winning the under 20 Africa Cup of Nations AFCON for the first time yesterday evening. A huge congratulations and well to the team. I have a news to share with you, as I told you before, and it's about the signing of a talented player known as Shaquille April, a player who was seen very much in this tournament. His outstanding performance through the tournament, especially in the final, made immense privilege of the coaching in different teams, and Mamelodi Sundowns Masanda Wana have been advised to see how they can sign him, because this talent will shine brightly in Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club currently under managerial guidance of Miguel Gadoso. His hard work, commitment, dedication, and sacrifice has paid off despite the many challenges that he have had to overcome. So it is only the matter of time to see if Mamelodi, known for their rich history and strong financial muscles, if they will agree to sign this talented player, and it will be a valuable addition to their already formidable squad as they gear up for the 2025-2026 season with different competitions, starting with Club FIFA World Cup, Nedbank Cup, M1080, Africa Football League, and the prestigious CAF Champions League. What is your comment about this? Please write a little bit on the box section below. But remember, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information like rumors, transfer, bet prediction, as well as fixtures on the present season of 2024-2025 to South Africa Premier Division, you can subscribe now and smash the bell icon. Goodbye.